Hey guys, check my 5 back with another video. Today I will be doing another Nerf video. If you guys can see my other Nerf video, I will leave the link in the description below. But I did it on this Nerf gun. It's a pretty cool video. So yeah guys, check that out and like and subscribe for more videos like this. So let's go right to this video. Today I'll be doing a two guns, but then I will be adding on to them. So yeah, so I have the zombie. I would say it's a zombie shotgun. You have this to load it, so you shoot, and then you put it down like this. And you load it, and then you can fire again. So yeah, you just fire that. We got it. It's jammed, I know it. Actually, there might not be anything in it. It isn't jammed. If there is something in it, I can feel it. Okay, so we'll do that after the video. So, let's get right into this video. So, pretty cool thing. It only has one of these on top, so you can only add one attachment to it. So yeah. So that's the only thing we can add to it. I'll get to that after. So yeah, let's get into the other gun. I have this, which is fully loaded. Oh, it's still nice. It's stuck right into the camera. And then I have 2 more bullets which you can stick on. Stick right on again. Now this one is a sticky bullet. It isn't. Oh, it is totally fired back. So let's do it one more time. I'm gonna aim. See, now you guys can see it. Let's try to aim for it again. And of course the trigger stuck. Okay, there. Nope, didn't stick. Now it did. Okay. So, again, this only has, well, this one also has only one of these on top. So you can't really add much to those 2 guns. So yeah. Oh, okay. So, let's leave that to the side. So we're going to take attachments off of this gun. Let's take this off of this gun and put it onto this gun. There we go. So now let's see what else we can put on one. Oh, I see. On the zombie striker, let's take off this piece of this. Let's put it on there. So now you can shoot upside down. You go like this, and this is all the way in. You can fire with this holding. But also you can go like this and fire if you want a better grip. So yeah. Also you can replace the barrel if I can't get this out right now. You can replace it with a longer one. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe for more, and turn on and hit that bell button for more. Yeah, guys. See you in the next video.